Assalamu alaikum class. Today we are going to discuss chapter 4, that is basic algebra and algebraic manipulation. What is algebra? The part of mathematics in which letters and other general symbols just like plus, minus, multiply, divide are used to represent numbers and quantities in formula and equation. If you look closely, all we apply algebra in our daily life. Just like basketball players makes a goal if he is able to calculate trajectory to score a point, or a cricket player is able to hit sixes only because if he is able to calculate the force required to hit the ball. Algebra finds its way while cooking, baking, etc. You need proportionally change the ingredients to make the needed serving. Or if you build a pool, you find the area of pool and also calculate the amount of water to fill the pool, and also time to fill the pool to its brim, which again requires algebra. Here there is an algebraic expression 2x minus 5 plus 7. Okay, here 2 and 5 are called coefficients. X and y are called variables. 7 is called constant term. 7 is called constant term, and 2x minus 5 plus 7, these are also called terms. Okay, so the combination of coefficient, variables, terms and constants make an algebraic expression. Expressing mathematical relationship. If sum of 2x and 3z, how can we write it? It is in algebraic expression. Sum mean plus of 2x. 2x is a term and 3z is also a term. So we can write as 2x plus 3z. Okay. Next, product of x and 7y. It means that we have to multiply x and 7y, just like x multiplied by 7y. If divide 3ab by 2c, it means that 3ab divided by 2c. So we can write as 3ab over c or 3ab over 2c. If subtract 6q from 10z, it means that 6q will be subtracted from 10z. Then we will write it as 10z minus. Question number 1. Given that x is equal to 6 and y is equal to minus 4, evaluate the following. A. 4x minus 7y. Solution. 4x minus 7y as it is. Putting value of x and y. The value of x is 6 and the value of y is minus 4. So 4, value of x is 6 and then minus 7 as it is. The value of y is minus 4. So multiply 4 with 6, the answer will be 24, and multiply minus 7 with minus 4, the answer will be 28. As we know that when two negative numbers multiply with each other, the answer will be in positive. Next, when we add 24 with 28, the answer will be 52. Now we are going to solve part B, that is 5x over 3y plus x. Solution. 5x over 3y plus x. Putting the values of x and y, the value of x is 6 and the value of y is -4. So is equal to 5. The value of putting the value of x, that is 6, over 3, putting the value of y, that is -4, plus putting the value of x, that is 6. Okay. In next step, we have to multiply 5 with 6. The answer will be 30. And multiply 3 with -4. The answer will be -12. Okay. Plus 6 as it is. Now, taking the LCM of 12 and 1, the answer will be 12, or factorize 12 or 1, the answer will be 12. Now divide 12 with -12, the answer will be -1. Okay. So when -1 multiply by 30, the answer will be -30. In next, when 12 divided by 1, the answer will be 12. Now 12 multiplied by 6, the answer will be 72. Now -30 plus 72, the operation will be addition, oh sorry, subtraction. And when we subtract 72 from when we subtract 30 from 72, the answer will be 42, as 72 is a greater number having a positive sign. The in answer the answer in answer there is also positive sign. So now divided 42 by 12 from 12. 42, 12, 3s are 36. The remaining answer will be 6. So the answer will be 3 over 6 over 12. Okay, but we can cancel out 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are 12. The answer will be, in part C, 2x square minus y3. Solution: 2x square minus y3. Putting value of x and y, the value of x is 6 and value of y is -4. So we put the value of x is 6, that will be 2 6 square, and minus, then -4 value, that is value of y, and cube as it is, -4 raised to power cube or raised 3. Okay. In next, as we know that 6 square means 6 multiply 2 times with itself, the answer will be 36. Okay, and then 36 multiply by 2, the answer will be 72. Just like this, 72. And next, -4 cube means 4 multiply 3 times with itself. It means that -4 multiply itself 3 times. -4 multiply by -4 multiply by -4. The answer will be -64. Because when we multiply -4, okay, the -4 multiply by -4, the answer will be 16, plus 16 multiply by -6, the answer will be -64. So we write it as -64. Next, minus plus, when we add 72 with 64, the answer will be 36. Thank you.